Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you will be fine. This is your social study class. I am your social studies teacher, Miss Wasima. I will teach you social studies according to new curriculum, single national curriculum. Okay student, first of all we will revise the previous topic which we done in lecture 2. Okay, and in lecture 2, tell me what is international dateline. You know about international dateline? International dateline is prime meridian. Okay, 180-degree longitude exactly opposite to prime meridian. And we will discuss about the will discuss about the hemisphere half of earth, and there are 4 hemisphere. Number 1 is northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere, eastern hemisphere, and western hemisphere. Equator divide the earth in 2 hemisphere, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere, and prime meridian divide the earth into 2 hemisphere, western hemisphere and eastern hemisphere. Okay, clear students? And uh, in previous class we will also discuss the grid reference. What is a grid? Lines of longitude and latitude form grid reference. Longitude, these are the vertical lines from north to south. And what are the latitude? The horizontal lines from west to east. And what is equator? Equator and middle of the earth, 0-degree latitude. Prime meridian, what is prime meridian? Middle of the earth, 0-degree longitude. But this is a previous lecture. Now we will go to the third one lecture. Third one lecture is regarding your exercise of lesson globe and map. So these are the contents of lesson. Geography, this topic is related with geography, and the topic is map and globe. The first question is multiple choice question, 10 short questions, 2 long question, 1 and 1 map. Okay students, and look at the slide. The first one is map is blank to show an area of the earth. Options are picture, drawing, page, book. Which one is correct? Drawing. Okay. Number 2, blank. Map show height of hills and mountains. Options are political, physical, relief and blank. So the answer is relief map shows us height of hills and mountains. Okay students. And number 3, blank, divide the earth into southern and northern hemisphere. So options are equator, Antarctic circle, Arctic circle and poles. So correct one is equator. Equator divide the earth into 2 parts. Okay, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Number 4 is there are blank degrees in a complete circle. Options are 360, 280, 180 and 90. So correct one answer is 360. Number 5 is prime meridian passes through blank England. So prime meridian passes through Greenwich. The options are Greenwich, Birmingham, Italy, France. So correct one is Greenwich. Number 6 is all lines of longitude and latitude form blank. Options are grid, key, scale and direction. So correct one is grid. Okay students, now clear? And number 7 is a book of map is called drawing book, atlas, documentary, storybook. So correct one is atlas. Number 8, earth is, what is earth? Circle. Options are circle, sphere, triangle, square. So the earth is sphere. And number 9 is every atlas has an index at the, every atlas has index at the front, middle, back and top. So at the back. Okay. And number 10 is blank meridian is exactly opposite to the 0 degree meridian. 160, 180, 190 and 120. Correct one is 180. Look at, this is the key answer key. Number 1 answer is drawing. Number 2 relief map. Number 3 equator. Number 4 360. Number 5 Greenwich. Number 6 grid. Number 7 atlas. Number 8 sphere. Number 9 bag. Number 10 180. This is the answer key. Now in this exercise we will discuss about the 2 short questions and 1 long question. The first short question is, what is meant by meridian? How many they are in numbers? Question number 2, what is meant by parallels? How many they are in numbers? Long question is, what information would you find on a topographical map and a road map? Okay, these are the question, but journal questions are also included in your exercise. Okay, learn all the journal question. Question are from your reading or from your lesson map. Okay, and short question answers are, question number 1 is, what is meant by meridian? How many they are in numbers? Answer is, a vertical lines are drawn from north to south, passing through the north and the south poles. These lines running from north to south are called meridians of longitude. Okay, these are the meridians of longitude, and there are 180 degree west meridian and 180 degree east meridian. There are total 360 degree meridians. Okay, this is short question number 1, and now short question number 2. What is meant by parallels? How many they are in numbers? Answer, the horizontal lines are drawn from east to west parallel to the equator. These lines running from west to east are called parallels of latitudes. There are 90 degree north and 90 degree south parallels of latitude. There are 180 degree parallels, and equator in latitude, equator is 0 degree. Okay students, clear? And now long question is, what information would you find on a topographical map? Which map? Topographical map and road map. Answer is topographical map. What is a topographical map? Topographical map shows us natural feature made by God, made by Allah, such as mountains, rivers, valleys, plateaus, lakes, as well as it also shows man-made features such as village, city, town, post office, temple and police station, etc. Road map. The other one is road map. What is a road map? A road map, a route map, or street map is a map that primarily displayed roads and transport links rather than natural geographical information. So road map tells us about the roads and link of the transport. So the road map tell us. Now clear students? Okay, and the last one is map. In map, this is a word map, and in map we will find the climatic zones. Climatic zones are these are the top of the earth, Arctic Circle, and then Tropic of Cancer. The third one is equator. The fourth one is Tropic of Capricorn, and the fifth one is Antarctic Circle. These are the climatic zones, and these are also called the important latitude lines. Okay, these are the important latitude line. And Arctic Circle is cold polar zone, very cold area, and the Tropic of Cancer, temperate zone. Okay, temperate zone, here is climate, moderate climate, normal climate, not very hot and not very cold. So equator, tropical zone, equator is very hot. Okay students, and Tropic of Capricorn, here is also temperate zone. Temperate zone mean here is weather is normal and moderate. Okay, and the last one is and bottom of the earth, Antarctic circle, and Antarctic circle is also coldest. These are the climatic zone and also called the important latitude lines. Okay students, are you clear? I hope you are clear. Okay students, inshallah we will come to in next class in next with next lecture. Okay students, take care. Allah Hafiz.